So next, I will explain the skill and knowledge needed in order to complete our project. So to ensure the success of UEM clinic management system development, it requires a diverse set of skills and knowledge across multiple domains. Our team member have skills in the programming language, especially in Java, to ensure effectiveness of the clinic management system implementation. In addition, we also have the database management skills, especially designing and managing databases such as SQL. So it is important to store and organize patient records, appointment, and other related data. Security expertise is also important, includes understanding the best practice to ensure the confidentiality of the patient data, knowledge of encryption methods, adhering to secure coding practices, and compliance with the healthcare data protection regulation. So integration skills are essential to seamlessly integrate the UUM clinic management system with other systems such as electronic health records or billing system. So the skill in testing and quality assurance are paramount, involving the implementation of strategies such as unit testing, integration testing, and systems testing to guarantee the reliability of the clinic management system. All of our team members have effective communication skill that is important to engage with the stakeholder, including the healthcare professional, administrator, and the end user. So project management skills are very required for the successful planning, resources management, and meeting deadline. So the ability to solve problems, both technical and non-technical, are very essential in this project to deal with the challenges that may arise during the development process. So next, our team collaboration is highly emphasized. It can encourage the sharing idea and effective collaboration among developer, designer, and stakeholder. So the skill adaptability is the key attribute which require openness to changes in project requirement and the ability to adapt to changing circumstances. So domain-specific knowledge include understanding of healthcare regulations such as HIPAA, familiarity with the clinic operation, including appointment scheduling and billing processes, and expertise in the user experience, designed to ensure the clinic management system for the healthcare professional and staff. So additionally, awareness of patient privacy and consideration, coupled with the ability to provide training and support for the clinic staff during the clinic management system implementation, completes and comprehensive skill required for successful clinic management system project. Okay, so next I will explain about the roles and responsibility. So in order to project go smoothly as possible, managing one requires a team effort with multiple key project roles with each specific responsibility. So to establish a cooperative and effective work environment, it is important to have open communication, clarity, and share knowledge of each team member responsibility. However, here are some of the broad roles and responsibilities we employ. The first one, I hold a role as a team leader, which is it is responsible for providing overall guidance, direction, and support to the team project. And my responsibility is I must work with the stakeholder to define project goals, scope, and also objective. Second one, I must assign duty and establish a clear expectation for the team members. Number three, I must facilitate effective communication within the team and with the external stakeholders. So number four, as a team leader, I need to monitor project progress and ensure the adherence to timelines and milestones. Number five, I need to resolve any conflicts and address any issue inherent team's performance. And number six, I must do act as a liaison between the team and higher management. And lastly, I must provide mentorship and support to the team members. Okay, other than that, I also hold accountability as a quality assurance lead, which is I need to oversee the testing processes to ensure the adherence to quality standard. And my responsibility is must define and implement quality assurance processes and standard. And then I need to conduct regular reviews of testing activity deliverables. And the third one, I must to collaborate with the project manager to assess and manage project risk. And number four, I want to ensure that testing activity align with the project timelines and the milestone.
Assalamualaikum and greetings. My name is Anissa Mngt and my magic number is 289689. So for this project, I've been assigned as a project manager and a business analyst. So as a project manager, I am responsible for the overall planning, execution and completion of the project. I am also responsible to develop a detailed project plan including tasks, timelines and resource allocation and monitor and control project risk issues and changes, and last but not least, coordinate with different functional teams to ensure seamless project execution. As a business analyst, I am responsible to understand and document all the business requirements. I am also responsible to conduct stakeholder interviews and workshops to gather requirements or data. I also uh, responsible to document and analyze business processes, to identify improvement opportunities, and last but not least, to create and maintain detailed requirements for documentation purpose.
Hello, my name is Mngt. So I'm the development team and the testing team of this project. For development team, we have to build and deliver the technical components and also the codes, test and implement the solutions. Second one, we have to provide the updates and also support testing efforts. For testing team, I have to ensure that product quality and its functionality. Second one, I have to develop and execute the test plans. The third one is I have to identify and report the defect, ensuring the overall product quality.
So, setting up scheduled meeting times is crucial to the project team's ability to communicate and work together effectively. When planning these meetings, it's critical to take the team members' availability and time zones into account. So, we have to take 6 steps of consideration, uh, where the first step is determine team member availability. We will start the process by interacting with each team members directly to find out when they are available. Next is propose the meeting times. We will select the time for the meeting that will maximize overlaps based on the availability information that has been gathered just now. Next step, we will gather feedback where we will ask for input from the team member and share the suggested meeting times with them to promote open communication. Next step, we will consolidate preference where we examine the input that was provided by team members to determine the most popular times for meeting that can accommodate the greatest number of people in the meeting. Next step, we will finalize the meeting schedule where we will establish the agreed open meeting hours based on the combined preference and concerns. And lastly, we will regularly review and adjust where we acknowledge that the conditions or availability of the team members may alter over time. Setting up a practical and efficient meeting places is essential to the team's successful cooperation. The team may guarantee that their communication methods are in line with the various needs and conditions of the project by using a flexible and practical approach to the meeting places. So we have decided to use 5 approach, which is first, virtual meetings through video conferencing. So using trustworthy video conferencing platforms like Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, or WebEx is essential when it comes to the project need to coordinate with external stakeholders, and possibility of geographical dispersion among member teams are the driving forces behind this decision. So the second approach is on-campus meeting room. We will find an appropriate on-campus meeting spaces on the UUM campus, uh, as this is an important factor for the team members who live on or close to the campus. Next approach is hybrid approach, which is a combination of virtual and physical. For strategic planning meetings or significant project milestones where in-person interactions are especially beneficial, physical meeting spaces can be reserved. Next approach is a flexible alternative, where the team's communication approach gains flexibility when they are willing to consider different meeting places depending on the demands of the agenda. And last but not least, our approach is a consistent communication channels, which is our WhatsApp group. It is critical to communicate meeting places in an understandable and consistent manner. This method, whether using actual or virtual places, aids in team members' preparation and participation. In order to maintain a seamless and well-organized process of collaboration among the team, it is important to set out reminders and updates on a regular basis via reliable channels. Just like I said just now, it's our WhatsApp.
Okay, next I will continue with our team communication. So, these are all the options for method that we have been choosing for our team communication. So the first one we discussed through WhatsApp group. It is a quick and casual approach for team members to interact by using a WhatsApp group for team communication. So, it is an instant texting that means possible by the platform which promote from communication and idea sharing, and then the mobile device accessibility of WhatsApp can guarantee the team member can maintain communication even when they are not seated in their desk. So number two, we conduct communication through the online meeting through Google Meet. So Google Meet is a great option for more formal and structured team communication because it is offer a strong platform for conducting virtual meeting, and the team member can have an in-person conversation via video conferencing, which promote comprehension and sense of connection. And this Google Meet allow for screen sharing, which improve the collaborative nature of conversation and facilitate the use of visual presentation, which are useful for explaining complicated project-related material. And lastly, we conduct a meeting through physical meeting, which is meeting in person is a very useful way for team to communicate, particularly when there are more interaction and engagement are needed. So meeting in person allow team members to engage on more intimate level, strengthening their sense of unity, and this as push works especially well for important project updates, strategic planning meeting, or dealing with a big issue that could use an instant in-person conversation.
Okay, next we move to the team rules and the expectation. First one, we look to team goals, which is our team's goal is to ensure seamless integration of the clinic management system with the external systems such as electronic health records and the billing system. The aim is to enhance interoperability and also simplify data exchange for improved efficiency in the healthcare operations. So the first one is through integration testing, which is we will conduct a comprehensive testing to confirm the seamless integration of the clinic management system and also the electronic health records and billing systems. It will guarantee data consistency and also accuracy across the platform. The second one is the effective data transfer. It implements the efficient data transfer protocols to enable real-time or the near real-time updates between the clinic management system and also the external system, which is minimizing the delays in information retrieval and also the updates. So the third one is our goal is user training and also adoption. It will provide in-depth training sessions for the clinic staff on the integrated system. It also will monitor the user adoption rates and also collect feedback to address any usability concerns. For our fourth goal is to error handling and also recovery. The system will develop a robust error handling mechanism and recovery procedures to quickly address and also resolve any integration errors in disruptions, minimizing the downtime and also the data inconsistencies. So the last goal is to feedback mechanism, which is it establish a feedback mechanism for the end users to report any issues or suggest improvement related to the integrated system. So regularly review and implement feedback to continuously enhance the integration process. So these are the five goal of this system. We move to the set team values. So starting with the collaboration and teamwork. For foster a collaborative environment where team members work together and leveraging each other's strengths and also expertise. Second one is we move to the innovative and also continuous improvement, which is embrace innovation in technology and also methodologies to enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of the clinical management system. It will also commit to ongoing learning and also continuous improvement in all aspects of the project. So the next team value is integrity and also ethics. It will uphold the highest standard of integrity and also ethical conduct, particularly when dealing with patient data and also healthcare information. So the fourth team value is open communication. Promote transparent and also open communication within the team. It will ensure that the information flows freely and also efficiently. So the fifth one is quality and reliability. Strive for excellence in every aspect of clinical management system development. It will ensure the delivery of a high quality and also reliable system. The sixth one is user-centered design. It will prioritize the user experience, ensure the clinical management systems are intuitive and also it's user-friendly and also meets the needs of healthcare professionals and also staff. So the last one is accountability, which will take the ownership of tasks and responsibilities and be accountable for meeting project and also the deadline and goals. Next, we will look to the setting code of ethics for this project. Okay, for our project, which is clinical management system, it's essential to establish and also to rebus ethical code to guide the behavior and also interaction of team members and also upper management. Here are some key ethical elements that we should follow and also implement in this project. The first one is the professionalism, which is very important. It will demonstrate the professionalism in all interaction, whether within the team or the stakeholders. It also will uphold a high standard of work ethics, including the punctuality, reliability, and also the accountability of assigned tasks. The second ethic is collaboration and respect. It will foster a collaborative and also respectful team environment where diverse perspectives are valued. It will also respect the expertise and also opinions of the team members promoting open communication and active listening. So the fourth ethic is data privacy and security. It will restrict the data privacy and also security standards, particularly when handling sensitive healthcare information. Uh, Report any potential branches or vulnerabilities promptly. So the fourth ethic is honesty and also transparency, which will communicate openly and honestly about the progress, challenges, and also potential risk. It will also disclose any conflict of interest that may impact the decision making. And the fifth ethic is the professional development. Continuously invest in a professional development to stay updated on relevant technologies and also methodologies and industry best practices. Share knowledge and expertise with the team members to enhance the collective capabilities. So next we look to the last part, which is rules and expectation. Okay, the first rules and expectation is the punctuality for meetings. Arrive at meetings on time or a few minutes early. This will show the respect for our teammates' time, and it ensure that the meeting can start promptly. Inform the team in advance if we are doing to be late for a meeting. This will allow them to adjust the meeting agenda or reschedule if necessary. Avoid scheduling the overlapping meetings or commitments that could prevent us from attending a team meeting. So the next rules is coming to meeting prepared, which is review the meeting agenda before the meeting, and also come prepared to discuss about the topics at hand. And also gather any relevant information or materials that related to the given task. If we have any questions or concerns, we can bring them up to the team meeting. So the next one is respecting each other's time. We have to stay on topic during our meetings and also avoid unnecessary distractions. We also have to actively listen to our teammates when they are speaking, and also avoiding or interrupting them. We should also be mindful of the length of our contribution to discussion, and also avoid monopolizing and also conversation. The fourth rules is to communicating openly and also communicating openly with each other, which is under expectation. We can share our ideas and also concern openly and also honestly, even if we think that they might be unpopular. So ask for a clarification if we don't understand something, and also don't be afraid to admit when we make a mistake. We also be respectful of each other's opinions, even though we disagree with them. So the fifth one is willingness to help each other out. Offer assistance to our teammates who are struggling with tasks or concept. We also have to be willing to share our knowledge and also expertise with each other. We can also celebrate each other's success and also support each other's during time of difficulty. So that's all for the rules and expectation. Thank you.